Hey, my name's Jarrett, and this is my review of the Autocane. This is a portable car grab bar assist that you can put into your car and use to help assist with getting in and out of the car seat. This is something that I usually recommend people to keep in their glove box or to keep in their purse, so that way they have it handy. To use it, you just put it right inside the little ring inside of the car door. Each car has this, so you pop it right in. And now if I was to get out of the car, I would be able to push up. It would allow me to transition. So once again, you can use the car grab bar assist or the Autocane to transfer in and out of the car. You can also use the Autocane from the driver's seat or from the front seat of the car. So you'd put this in the hook, transition in, or transition out from the driver's seat as well, just like so. So this is something that I recommend a lot to my clients. It's something that's very handy and very easy to just throw in the glove box. I highly recommend this.